You doing all right?
Yeah.
Scared me. I didn't think
Okay, take this hand and put it up here and hold that thing tight against your shoulder and you won't feel that much. Okay? That's a good soldier.
Nice.
Oh, I actually hit it. I didn't see that.
I wasn't trying to.
As a tree goes like this. Not as bad as I thought with these. I thought it was going to be kind of punch.
I did too.
Nice, right through almost the middle.
I probably did go through that one. Looks like it.
I think it did because I can kind of see it.
Yeah, she can definitely see it through that scope.
Jesus, Kayce.
I was about to tell her to shoot that one.
It's a 12-pound or 12 times scope.
Oh, so you're looking at it.
That's all
looks
you
like
can
it's this
see
big.
right now. That's all you can see is that.
What on earth was that?
That was just the shell casing.
Oh.
Nice. Whizzed the can off there.
Trying to find another one. Ooh, yeah.